big mackerel. Mackerel. Oh, yep, mackerels. Oh yeah, perfect size. Perfect size for live baiting. Oh, getting some markings of bait down there. Freaking calico. Hmm. 13. Oh, it's a calico. Legal though. Legal calico. Second one of the day. I'm not even sure if I should keep this or let it go. Whoa. See ya. All right, so one of my viewers asked me to explain CNA, controlled navigations area, a little bit more on where I was that night when I was in one of my videos. I was lobster hooping. So if you see that sign that says stop, illegal to pass under the bridge, on the other side of this bridge is actually an area that protects, sorry about that, ran out of battery. As I was saying, on the other side of this bridge is the area that protects wildlife. Doesn't matter, marine, birds, just it protects wildlife, animals on the other side of the bridge. Okay, and it is also a controlled navigations area on the other side of this bridge. That is the reason why it says stop, illegal to pass under the bridge. Okay, so on this side it is Long Beach. On the other side, San Pedro. Yeah, so to that viewer, I was actually lobster hooping along the jetties on the other side of this bridge. But you know, I got there through San Pedro side. I didn't go under the bridge to get there. Okay, so to that viewer, hopefully he subscribed or still watches my channel, but he wanted to know where I was that night when I was in the controlled navigations area. That's where I was on the other side of this bridge, along the jetty, hoop netting that one night. Yeah, so I got kicked out. Now, the police didn't give me a citation because there were no signs that says you're not allowed to come through that channel. So I explained it to the officer. I said, hey, you know, I would have followed the law if I saw signs, but I didn't see any signs. And he said he knows. So I guess I'm not the first one to make that mistake. And and so yeah, so they gave me a warning. But you know, I bet you there's a lot of lobsters over there. Oh. So, halibut.
Halibut?
Yeah, legal.
Why? Told you.
Uh-oh, it's barely hooked. It's barely hooked.
Need a net or what?
On a live mackerel.
What's that?
It's barely hooked.
Have a net. You got your cap.
No.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, live mackerel, bro.
Nice.
On the trapper rig.
Nice.
I'd say about 26, 27.
Nice. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Treble hook get him?
What's that?
Treble hook get him?
Yeah, barely, dude. Right on the head. show you guys the setup. So I got a 2-ounce sinker torpedo. So the main line has a swivel at the end with the sinker. But the sliding, so typically I use the sinker here for the sliding sinker, and then the stinger on this side. But today I'm trying out sinker on this one and sliding trapper rig on this one. Got a size 2 J hook with a size 2 treble hook. Okay. Swivel here is the one without the clip. It's just the plain regular swivel. But here, this one has a clip for the sinker. Okay. The line I use, 30-pound line, 30-pound test, mono. Also, this is 30 pound. It attaches to the 65-pound braid. I hook it through the mouth. I don't nose hook it. This one to the tail. Drop it straight down. So I hooked that halibut at 2 p.m. So apparently halibuts don't care what hour it is. They're hungry, they're gonna eat. If that mackerel or that bait swims in front of its face and its mouth, it's gonna bite it. All right, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. We'll catch up at the docks. I'm gonna give that a proper measurement and let you guys know how big it is or how small it is. Hopefully it's not undersized, but I'm pretty certain it's not undersized. So yeah, I mean, the width of my kayak is about 32 inches. It was around, I would say, a good 26, 27, just as I originally guessed when I first gaffed it up. So so yeah, we'll get you the correct measurements once I'm back at the docks. Other than that, thanks for watching. We will see you next time. All right, one of my viewers asked me, how come every time you go fishing the water is so calm? Well, guess what? It's because I rarely include footage of me dealing with this. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have some water in the hole once I get back to the docks. But yeah, so to that viewer, if you go fishing early in the morning, and I'm talking about 3, 4 in the morning, chances are the water is going to be calm. And then it gets to about noon, this is what happens. Yeah, around noon time, windy, choppy, and yeah, if you do night fishing, this comes down around 6-7 p.m. or when the sun comes down, this calms down. But anyway, just want to let you guys, well, let that viewer know I'm not immune to bad weather. Okay, I deal with bad weather just like everyone else. The only thing, like, you know, I check the weather forecast, and obviously if it's gonna rain, I don't go fishing. But other than that, if it's, you know, not too bad, if it's a little bit windy, I still go. So anyway, just some response to that one viewer. Right now I just want to get back to the docks and kiss the land. This is pretty rough. I would have to say this is as rough as that one night when I was in San Clemente heading back. Yeah, this is pretty bad. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of water inside my hole right now. Yep. All right. Let's measure the halibut. Let's see. All right. Measuring tape. Right in here. All right, here we go. What's it gonna be? $27. Okay, so from the middle of the tail, oh, it's only 26.